everyone, welcome back. I am Sinura Wahalathanthri and I am here with my 5th video from this eShop web development series. So, in this video, we will be talking about the forgot password option and we will be talking about the programming part of it also. Okay, so if I tell about this forgot password option briefly, what does this do? So, this is an option to make a new password. So in case you forgot your password and you don't remember it, you can use this option to make a new password. So let's examine this process. So for this, I will be using an account which I have already created, and I will be using the database for it. So over here, I have made an account with these details. So I will give the same email over there. So for this, I will be giving the forgot password option. So when I give this option, after you stay a little bit, you will be arrived with a message called verification has been sent to your email. Please check the inbox or spam. So this tells us that the verification code to make a new password has been sent to your Gmail. So when I press OK, you will be coming a pop-up screen like this as reset password. And I have 3 options as new password, confirm password, and verification code. And I have also given 2 buttons called close and reset password. So let's check what will happen when you give this forgot password option. So when I gave that forgot password option, I got a message alert called the verification has been sent to your email. So let's check my email and see what has been arrived. Okay, now when I refresh it, I have been arrived with an email as eShop forgot password verification code. So when I press this, there is an verification code as a unique ID. So I will copy this because I will be needing it. So over here, I will give this verification code. So now I need a new password. So when I go to my database, my password is this, Sinura at 2011. So I need to change it. So I will give it to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and other one also as the confirmation part with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there are 2 buttons as the show and the hide. So when I press this button, I can see my password. And also when I press over here, I can see the password of the confirm password also. So now let's check what will happen when I press reset password. So when I press this, I have got an alert called success. So when I press OK, now let's go to the sign in page and give my password that I have given over there as the reset password as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And when I give sign in, I have successfully gone to my home.php. So now let's check the backend code of this. Okay, so this is where the magic happens. So this is my backend code, and just a reminder, I have given ID for the input fields as you can see over here. So for the forgot password as the main topic, the forgot password, I have given an on-click event for it as forgot password. So for the forgot password anchor tag, I have given an on-click as forgot password. And I have also given something else. So when I go down, you can see I have given a comment called model. So this is my model. So this is where the pop-up screen comes. So this one comes just. We should give a script for it. So we will talk about the script later. So let's check what I have done over here. So over here, I have given my title as reset password and a button called close. So that means the a variable means close. That means you can close it from that button. And I have also given a label called new password and input fields. And I have also given show passwords. So you will understand why I put these two on clicks also in the script.js. So over here, I have given for every input field an ID as NPI, RNP, and also VC. So this means the new password and all, verification code and all. So now let's check what I have done in the script.js. So let's go and see. Okay, this is the main part of the forgot password. So in the very beginning, I have given a variable called BEng. So this is a global variable. Okay, why did I put this global variable? Yeah, this is because I can take it from anywhere I want. Then I don't want to put every time BEng everywhere. Okay. Then I have given an XML HTTP request and assigned it to R. That means the variable called R. And after the forgot password function, I have assigned email to, that means the ID of the email input field, and I have assigned it to email, variable called email. And I have given a var t, that means I have assigned the response text to variable called t over here, and I have told if success alert verification has been sent to your email, please check your inbox or spam. So I have given that if this success comes, and I have also told var m, that means I have told this var m as model. So document.getElement by ID forgot password model. So the forgot password model is over here. In the very beginning, you can see this and BEng, that means the global variable I put over here, and I have given new bootstrap.model m. Why did I put this? Yeah, so this is because I have taken an bootstrap class for the model. So this is an already made one. So we changed it. So this is a bootstrap model. So I have told new bootstrap.model. So this is a bootstrap model. So I have given it as, and I have told m, that means the model. So the new bootstrap model should be the forgot password model. And I have told to show it. And if else, that means the alert t should come. So let's check what I have done over here. After these, I have given r.open and I have sent it through the get method. And I have also told to go to the file named forgot password process.php. Because this is going in the get method, I have told (e), that I have assigned e as the email, plus email.value. That means the value should be taken also. And I have given true. That means it should go in the Ajax method. So let's check what I have done in the forgot password process.php. Okay. In the very beginning, I have made an PHP script, and you can see that I have put 3 files. So mainly, I have given the connection.php file. In my before videos, we talked about this require. So if I tell you about it again, we put this require to include another file to this. So that means this should be over here, but not shown. That means it should come from the back. Okay. Then I have told use the PHP mailer. So if I show you one of these files, you will get an meaning what I'm talking about. So when I press this, you all can see bunch of codes. So this is the code line that we use to send the email. So I will show you another one. So here, when I go to the exception.php, you all can see the same thing, and it's in the singleton pattern. So likewise, everything has something like that. So I have required it, and I have told to use the PHP mailer. Then I have given $email and the $get method, as you can remember over here. I send email as e over here. So, and I have also told to update user and verification code and $code. So over here in the if, I have told if $n over here, the $rs, these stuff, if $n is equals to 1. And I have told $code, that means the unique ID should come. And I have told the database, update the user, that means the user table with the verification code column, and the verification code column should come as this $code, that means the unique ID, and where the email is there. And over here, I have given a $mail and assigned it, I mean new PHP mailer, and assigned it to $mail. And I have told $mail and all of these stuff. And we can talk about these stuff later, but in the main task, these are the useful stuff over here. So over here in this $mail username, I have given my Gmail. And over here as the password, you should make an password in the Gmail. So you should make an unique password in the Gmail when you go and manage your account. So, and also I have told set from the Gmail and add reply to the Gmail and the add address to $email, and the subject should be, that means the subject in the email should be Isha forgot password verification code. And I have told the H1 class and given a style called color green, and I have told your verification code is the $code, that means the unique ID. So if this didn't work, if not $mail send, that means if it don't work, that they should tell verification code sending failed. And if it's else, they should give an echo called success. And if this all go wrong, they should tell invalid email address. So if you give a fake email address, this should tell this is an invalid email address. So this is not all in the code. So we should make another file called reset password. So for this, I will first go to my script.js and show you what's gonna be happening over here. So when I go down, I have made a function code, show password. So if I tell you about this, when I go to my index.php, you can see in the new password and confirm password, I have given an on-click event called show password. And I have also given another one called show password too. So this is what's gonna happen. So let's see what I have done in the function in the script.js. So in the function show password, I have told var input document.getElement by id npi and all, and I1, that means the icon called I, as you can see over here. And I have told it should be assigned to a variable as I1. And if input type text, I mean password, this should be happening. So input.type text I1.class name bi field. So this means if this is a type text, if I click this should be a text and the icon should be changed to an I field. So if it doesn't happen, they should tell input.type password, that means it should change to a password, and our I1 class name should be BI/field. So the same thing is happening in the function sign up show password too, but I have changed small stuff as the var input as RNP, and the if the same thing is gonna happen, and the same things are the same stuff which is gonna happen in the show password. So the same stuff in the show password is in the show password too. So when I go to the function reset password, so I have given the on click for this over here. So you can see reset password, that means the button called reset password, and I have given the on click event called reset password, and the function reset password I have told var email, that means the email too, and the np, that means the show password one, and the rnp, even the show password too, and v code, so that means the verification code, and I have told for the form data, and I have append them for enrv, email, np, rnp, v code, and dot values, and I have told and var and new xml http request, and told r.onReady state change and the anonymous function and all, and if r.ready state 4 var t response step, if t equals success bm.hide. So this bm, that means the local global variable we made, should be gone. So it should be gone with the alert. So if not, the alert t should come. So let's take where this one happens. So over here, the reset password.php, as you can see over here, I have gone in the post method reset password.php, and I have also sent the form data. So as you can see over here, $post e, $post n, $post r, $post v, and I have told if empty email, echo missing email. So these should happen if they don't have, and $np is not rnp, like that, the password is not matching, so echo should be coming like that. And if not, if anything would happen, that means if everything is success, this should come, that means $rs database search, select all from user, and all. We should tell the email should be $email, and the verification code should be the $v code. And over here I have told $nrs number rows, and if n equals 1, I have to update the user and set password to $np, and where email is the $email. And if this all happens, an echo should come as success. And if it goes to the else, they should tell invalid username or password. So this is it in this code and this video. So I hope you understood, and have a nice day and bye.